entrance of the hotel. This is our hotel room. What are you most excited? Arcade games? The pool?
Yay!
Kenta's hyper.
頑張ってきました
Super hyper. And we are on what floor, Rena?
17
Yeah, 17th floor. 17階です。
持ってきました
Our first night in Reno and our dinner is going to be
Pizza!
pizza. What kind of pizza?
Hawaiian pizza. Yeah.
The kids are having Hawaiian pizza and we ordered for to go because it's just too much trouble
いただき
trying
ま
to
す
find a place to sit.
いただきます
Right.
わ
Wow, 美味しそう。
ー美味しそう
It's kid size. Is it enough for you?
No!
No. How many pizzas do you think you can eat?
I don't know.
I think if you were really hungry, you could probably eat 4 or 3. There's many places to play inside the hotel.
We're at the arcade!
This is like paradise for the kids. There's also a movie theater and a bowling alley in this hotel.
Time for
Froyo. Frozen yogurt.
It's time for frozen yogurt!
Yay, we're gonna have frozen yogurt from now. Yeah, frozen yogurt is like ice cream. What flavor? Serena's gonna order. So you can choose 2 flavors, 2 toppings, and 2 separate cups. So Rina 2つ選んで、ケント2つ選べるから。
So, vanilla and mango in one. Berry, strawberry, and mango. What toppings for the vanilla and mango?
So you can choose 2 toppings. Ew.
Both of them with this? No.
You can choose 1 more topping. You know. Okay.
I feel like another scoop of the boba.
A what?
The passion fruit boba. I feel like another scoop is nice.
Oh, 1 more scoop of cheese? Yes, please.
Like your receipt.
Yes, please.
And better sauce?
ケントのコーヒーです。
Oishii desu. It's delicious.
Is this delicious? It's delicious.
So what flavors?
Vanilla, mango, vanilla. Mango and strawberry.
With passion fruit boba. Can I see? It's like, it sort of looks like ikura, salmon roe. Good morning from Reno. It's 7 a.m. and the kids are up bright and early. This is our breakfast. It's things we brought from home.
This is custard bread.
Cream bun. Deshita. Used to be custard bread. It doesn't look like custard bread anymore. Is it delicious?
Yeah.
Yeah. I paid $10 and played some slot games. And ta-da!
And now we have $20.
20ドルになりました Yay! Yeah, so it's $10 profit. Right next to our hotel is Walmart. So we're taking a morning walk to Walmart.
We're here at Walmart.
This is Walmart in Reno. And Walmart is like a bigger version of Target, I think. So they sell food and non-food items. They have a huge selection of everything. This is the juice area, the boxed juice area. Some very American looking snacks, American snacks.
これ大きい。
昔からある、この Little Debbie って昔からあるメーカーで、
でもこれが
ちょっとこういうジャンクフード。So these are very American snacks. Hostess 懐かしい。なんかそんなに食べてなかったけどね。Hostess and Little Debbie 昔からあるちょっとジャンクフード。Yeah, a lot of kids used to, I don't know a lot, but some kids used to bring them to school. Twinkies.
これが美味しい。
そうそう、Twinkies。懐かしいって、アメリカ人の大人はこれ見て懐かしいって思って。Twinkies. Check out.
This is what we got.
We bought some apples and
Yogurt and orange juice.
so this is our sort of emergency snack or breakfast for tomorrow morning. There's the jacuzzi and the pool. It's 10 a.m. and it's pretty hot already. Rena, can you do a flip?
Backward?
Yay! We had fun at the pool, and now we're gonna go grab lunch. Inside the restaurant is like this. So we're gonna take out our food. We ordered for takeout. Now we're gonna eat where?
Our room.
Yeah, in our room. So what did we get? Can you open it up, please?
This is wonton soup. This is an omelet.
This is an omelet.
And this is
Salmon. Grilled salmon. And what's in the last box?
Cheese hamburger. Cheeseburger.
With fries. So this is lunch and maybe part of dinner. We ordered a lot because it sort of takes time to order right now. So we waited a little bit, and if we wanted to dine in, it's going to take a long time to be able to get a seat and then to order. So it's just easier this way. Looks good.
Let's eat. One last thing. We got a milkshake.
A chocolate milkshake.
Ooh.
For who?
Papa.
For dad?
Dad.
Papa. We don't speak in English, so that's why Rena's English is a little, what do you say? A little not natural at times. So now we're at Circus. And we're gonna just play some arcade games and carnival games here. They usually have a lot of fun acrobatic circus acts, but right now it's closed. Usually there's a monorail that runs here. It runs between it stops at different hotels, but then right now it's not running. There's arcade games and sort of carnival games here. And of course there's the slots.
This is our card.
These are called crane games. 日本キャッチャーは crane games と言います。What's this, Rena?
Marshmallow.
Marshmallow. That's what I thought, but 筆。We're going to. What are we going to do? Bowling. Bowling. Bowling.
Loading.
Yeah, we're gonna do bowling from now.